5 Tips to Grow Your Family Business with Alibaba.com. While running a family business comes with several benefits, there can also be difficulties. That's why it is critical for family businesses that want to grow their revenue to build an online presence and leverage e-commerce platforms. Many business transactions today take place online via trading platforms like Alibaba.com. Alibaba is a big e-commerce platform that makes it easy for new digital entrepreneurs to connect with customers from different parts of the world. This platform is designed for businesses of all sizes, including small businesses, to reach a global audience without the need to leave their location. 1. Open an account and establish a profile. The first tip to grow your family business with Alibaba.com is to create a seller account. Alibaba offers different packages and plans for entrepreneurs who want to open a seller account. Simply follow the steps to register for a seller account, get your business verification and start posting your products. Also, you have the option to work with an account manager to help through the steps. Once you create an account, establish your business page and include as much information as possible. Potential buyers will see the information you provide, so make sure you are thorough. 2. List and optimize your product page. Alibaba.com allows the selling of different types of products, including clothes, electronics, and handcraft. You will need to upload a complete list of your products to sell products. The list of products should come with vivid images, features, and detailed descriptions to increase visibility and attract potential buyers. Also, take advantage of Alibaba.com intelligent posting system to help you optimize your product catalog to help customers find you easily. 3. Leverage Alibaba.com digital marketing tools and resources. As mentioned earlier, Alibaba.com offers marketing tools and informational articles to help scale your business growth and propel sales. If you want to expand your business and take advantage of international trade, then it's best to take advantage of these tools and resources. 4. Protect orders and payments. Alibaba.com offers trade assurance on your seller account to protect your business and customers during transactions. It becomes easier for buyers to trust your business when you activate it. 5. Maintain quality. As a seller, you need to ensure that your products have a quality that matches the price and description. This is to increase return customers and to maintain a good brand reputation. Buyers will love it if they get a good product from you. They will likely order again and invite others.